Today I'm going to show you how you can add and adjust your hourly rate to a job on Upwork. Alright, so we're looking for work over here, and I'm going to just go in and I'm going to search for data entry just for example purposes. And here we are going to look for hourly jobs only. Now, every type of job will have a particular budget, whether it's one time or hourly. So here you can see that this person is paying between $4 and $8 an hour. This person $3 and $8. As you go down over here, you'll be able to see different amounts that are being paid. Now, if you go into the actual job, depending on what the client wants and depending on what your rate is, you can actually add it in manually when you apply for the job. So click on apply now. And for example, my hourly rate is $30 an hour. So if I go in here and they're offering $4 to $8 and my hourly rate currently set on my Upwork profile is $30, if you come down over here, you'll see the terms. So this is the hourly rate. It'll tell you what your profile rate is. It'll tell you what the client's budget is. Okay, you can go and click over there. It says this is the hourly budget for the clients specified when posting this job. It can be considered when setting your bid. So let's say I would like to set my hourly rate at $8 only for this job. This will not change your profile rate. This is only for this job. You can set it for $8. And then you'll see that there's a service fee, and that's how much you will get per hour after that service fee. You can now submit your proposal, and let's hope you get hired.